Wienerberger is one of the leading providers of innovative and ecological solutions for the entire building envelope. This applies to new buildings and renovations, as well as infrastructure in water and energy management. Our products and solutions make energy efficient, climate friendly, and affordable living possible worldwide. In my role, I'm responsible for data science and analytics in the production. My team and me, we are working closely with the staff on site, finding use cases to make production more efficient, basically. It plays an important role in the whole strategic directive of Wienerberger, providing climate-neutral building materials. We are producing building materials out of natural raw material, clay. That means our production is exposed to a lot of fluctuations and environmental factors, which have severe impact on the process stability. The analysis of manufacturing data was a very cumbersome process previously. Data was flying around here and there and also in different systems, fragmented. In our case, the energy need is the target variable, what we want to lower. So you have to monitor this properly, otherwise optimization is difficult. Or as Kelvin said, if you cannot measure, you cannot improve it. Now we have all in one platform, and the important bit is in a linked format available. With help from SAS, I can say we have been able to install so-called citizen data scientists who help us now with their precise knowledge about the process to continuously improve our data models. We are using SAS Viya 4 running on Azure, as well as SAS Visual Analytics for our explorative use cases. That means our citizen data scientists, as we call them, are using the visual analytics to really get to the root cause of the process fluctuation, what is causing them and how can they proactively interfere with this. SAS helps us to democratize analytics. We don't have data scientists sitting in each and every factory, but we have a lot of experienced process engineers who know the production and the process by heart. To use their capabilities is absolute key for us, and SAS helps us here a lot. We have some challenges ahead adopting our solution and architecture to the dynamic environment and circumstances in this field. Also, data quality and availability is a big pain point, especially in general manufacturing environment. However, I see analytics in the production area only in the starting phase. So if a company is doing the homework in preparing data for analytics, potential is endless.